Connecting Stripe to Calendly allows you to accept payments for your scheduled events, making it easy to monetize your services. Here's how to set up the integration. Log into Calendly. Begin by logging into your Calendly account. Access event types. Navigate to the event type section from your dashboard. Select the event type for which you want to enable payments or create a new event type by clicking on plus new event type. Set payment options. In the event settings, scroll down to the collect payment section. Click on the option to integrate with Stripe. This will initiate the connection process. Sign into Stripe. You'll be redirected to Stripe's login page. Enter your Stripe account credentials or create a new account if you don't have one. Authorize access. After logging in, grant Calendly the necessary permissions to access your Stripe account. This allows Calendly to process payments and manage transactions. Customize payment settings. Once connected, you can set pricing for your event, including one-time fees or deposits. Save changes. After configuring the payment settings, click Save and close to finalize your integration. Test the integration. Schedule a test appointment to ensure that payments are processed correctly through Stripe.